This video serves as a demonstration of implementing our testing method for curve and surface comparison using our Shiny app. So this is the link of our Shiny app. It is free for public usage. The first step, you need to upload your dataset by clicking this Browse button. So I have prepared our dataset in this Excel CSV file. You can save it as CSV or Excel data. And here you can specify how many observations you'd like to check. We have three variables: x as explanatory variable, y is the continuous endpoint, and we have indicator of group. And so if you are interested, we can take a look of the raw data set here. In total, we have about 470 observations for three groups actually. For each observation, we have x and y. And by the way, the dataset is not necessary to be ordered, but because this example is from simulated data, that's why it was ordered nicely. And after that, click this test summary and plots. So you are running the testing procedure from the R server. Here is the result. We are comparing three curve functions, and we use penalized semi-parametric regression spline for estimating the curve functions, and we adopt this wide bootstrap algorithm to obtain empirical distribution and the null hypothesis. And we are testing against the null hypothesis that there is no significant difference between the three curve functions, and p-value is highly significant, which means we can reject the null hypothesis and conclude the three curve functions are not same. So here are the estimated curve functions from the three groups. Again, as I mentioned, the data was from simulated data, so it was quite nice, the three curve functions. And next, let's take a look at how to compare surface functions. So again, I prepared this data set and save it in a CSV file. We have four variables. The first one is group. We have two groups, and we have y continuous endpoint. We have two explanatory variables, x1 and x2, because here we are comparing surface functions. That's why we need to have two explanatory variables. And again, click this test summary and plots. You should be able to see the results soon. And by the way, so it is important that the variable name you have for uploaded data has all the variable name in lowercase. And here I got the results. And here we are comparing two semi-parametric regression surfaces, and we use these penalized semi-parametric regressions for fitting the surface functions. And we adopt this wide bootstrap algorithm again, and we are testing against the null hypothesis. There is no difference between the two surface functions. The p-value is not significant. We don't have enough evidence to reject the null. And first, you see the estimated contour plots for the two groups. These are very similar. And at the bottom of this website, you will see the three-dimensional interactive plot. This is created using rplotly. And because these two surface functions are quite close, our plot finding was consistent with the testing results that we didn't get significant result. Well, thank you for watching our video, and hopefully this video will be useful for you to implement our testing method. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me by the email address I included below. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.